Hi, I'm Rebecca Barton and I work in Hayesville, Kansas. So I currently teach fourth grade, and this is my first year for fourth grade. I previously taught kindergarten for 5 years before moving to fourth. I actually have been in Hayesville since I started teaching and have been in this same building that I'm currently at. One of the things that I believe is important with school community is the principal and how the principal approaches people and approaches things in the building. We've had the same principal since I started working here, and it's been interesting because when things started, it wasn't that he wasn't necessarily personable, but he didn't talk to a lot of people and didn't really ask questions about who you were. And recently, within the last couple years, things have changed, and he started wanting to know more about you and asking questions about you. And when that changed, it was interesting because, like, the whole school community changed, and people started communicating with people more, and it started to feel more of like a family. So, from that experience, I learned how important it was as the leader of the building to set that trend, and that school community starts with you as the leader. Some of the ways that I think we can improve communication, techniques and stuff is it's so hard to communicate with parents. And I know I send home a newsletter that my kids put in their backpack and take home to their parents, but I think it might almost be easier if there was like an online newsletter that parents got straight to their email or it went straight to their phone, which would help with communication. And I almost think that it would be a good idea as the principal to send home some kind of newsletter, not necessarily like weekly or monthly, but maybe quarterly, just hey, this is what's going on. These are the cool things we have coming up at our school. We'd love you to come be a part of them. And I also think it's important to definitely have communication with people in the area. So, like the administrators in the admin building, but also community people. And in order to do that, you have to make yourself known. So you have to go to community events and attend board meetings and stuff like that. So that way you can build those relationships, and with those relationships is a way to improve communication.